And I'd like to illustrate another customer resource management, client relationship manager training that I did for L1 support agents. We bought a company called Sapphire, which has a product line called Pivotal Client Relationship Management, and our L1 agents need to support this. So of course, initially I put in all the learning goals that need to happen during this e-learning module. And then I go down and I show a lot of the architecture. Go over a brief definition of what customer relationship management software is, 360 overview, and then continue with what the architecture for Pivotal CRM is composed of. First we have our platform, and this is done doing a labeled graphic in Articulate. Articulate makes development very easy. It's an umbrella term. It covers 5 components, and it's really easy to kind of get through it with this. It's a very handy tool. And then I talk about the application components, platform components, what can be customized, what can't be customized. Usually it talks about, you just want to make sure that you can read your customer and exactly what they want when they're talking to you on the phone, because you're going to be logging into their computer, you're going to be sharing your screen with them. There's a lot of ways that we help our customers when these agents work remotely. So here we go. What it does, show a little bit of what the client tier is, the middle tier, and the data tier. Just how the systems work, from the database to their servers, and of course to the front end part of the application. Describing what a client tier is. Sometimes we're hiring people, or my client's hiring people that don't know anything about software, what different layers of the software are, frameworks, and so forth. Middle tier and business server, data tier. So that's where we come in and we review with the new hires everything that needs to be known about the software. Main components. What's involved in the business server and what the tasks are. And what exactly the client does in the client-server relationship. Screen. Usually it's intuitive, but the whole thing is getting each of our L1 and L2 agents prepared to better understand the software that's been bought by my client. So training is always handy, and there's really no other way to do it unless you just give your new hires access to the interface and they mess around with it, but this gives an overview. So it's better than just going in there completely raw. What does SyncStream do? Pivotal systems, data synchronization servers, that sort of thing. Where the master servers are. And these are all artifacts that are acquired when we buy the company. And so we take their artifacts that are existing, unless they're redone by our tech teams, and we can use them as we like for training. And of course, we always reference other courses on Central Training so they can dig deeper. Normally I put them into a catalog, so when they finish one class, they automatically are taken to the next class. So you have a complete understanding of the product line, which is very important, especially since we're all working remote in this remote world, not talking to each other directly. It's got to be something that ties us all together. Queries, letter express, static list, forms, graphs. That is just the filing system. So there we go. Little forms designer. And of course at the end, gotta have a test, which I always refer to the finish line, which will take the learner to a test. So that is it for my CRM training for L1 and L2 agents. Thank you.